Hello YouTube. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I've figured I would share about this one. So there's a truck stop in Hershey, Nebraska, and it's quite interesting. I've been there a couple times before, but apparently they've put in a swimming pool since the last time I've been there. I'm just kidding. I asked them what happened, and the lady told me that they were preparing for Labor Day, and so they put in a lake and stocked it with trout. So I was very disappointed that I didn't have my rod and reel with me. But at least I had my water boots with me, as I call them. I keep them at home for pressure washing. But I wanted to get some good pictures, and so I went and took the pictures, and I walked around the lake, and at some parts I walked right through it. So I didn't park in it, and the reason why is not because I was scared of the water, because I got my water boots, so I really didn't care, but I was more worried about sinking in and getting stuck, and I'm fully loaded right now at 80,000 pounds, so that's going to be a pretty tow bill. So that's why I didn't park there. But it's not a bad truck stop for a 10-hour break. I wouldn't stay there for like a 34. It's not bad at all. They are just majorly lacking on maintenance, and they need a lot of things that need to be done. Like one of the facilities was out of order in the morning, so luckily there was 2 stalls left that could be used, but it's kind of getting run down. So they spent a lot of money putting in a bunch of light poles so they can light up the whole entire parking lot. And they can't even spend like $50 on a sump. Really? Go to Walmart, get pool cover, pump. So, but I'm surprised nobody parked next to me. I'm just kidding. I did walk back there in the morning just to look and see if anybody parked there, because I was curious. But apparently only one person parked there in the water. So anyways, I'll see y'all next time.